So I've got that clamped in there. Next step is, I don't know if you can actually see in there, but there is like a piece, there's a spring in there. Not really a spring, it's more like a metal clamp. You hear that? So let me have a look, what's that up to now? So this is my soldering iron, the very first one that I got. I still use it. It comes in handy for burning. Right, so I just want to get to that spring. So while that's heating up, I'll just show the orientation of this. So you've got your small, that's what you've got a bit there, that slot goes in to this bit here on the hairdryer. So that is the bottom. That's how it goes in. So that's your top piece there. So I don't want to be messing about with this because that fits in. So I'm going to take from the top and I'm going to melt that bit there. Just melt it. Just melt it. There we go. And then I put my soldering iron on that metal, because it's, you'll see when it's out, you'll see how it's seated in there. So what I need to do is find the end of it and start prizing it out. Normally the end comes through here. Can hear that? Let me have a look. Where's that end? The end is actually there. That's where the end is, at the bottom. It should be alright now. Right. I mean, you can buy another cable and it's got all this already on, but I'm not spending, excuse me, I'm not spending 40 quid on a new cable. I can just do it myself. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time. But it saves me money. And don't copy this off me. You'll probably cut your fingers off. Surprised I haven't done yet. Right, so we've got that bit in there. Let's get it in there, because I need to get a bit of leverage on it. I need to repair these. I'm doing my edit. Right. So yeah, my trusty little screwdriver in. You can't really see. I'll show you actually. So we've got that bit there. I need to lever that up and then I can start pulling it and then it'll come out, it'll uncoil out of there. It takes a bit of time. So I need to get that bit out first and lift it up. Once I've lifted that up and out, I can get my grips on it. No, not yet. done there. See, it's just started to lift there. I can get grips on that now. I can pull it. There it is. That is now out of there. Still not over yet because I've got to clean that up now. At least that's done with them. Clean that up. The thing is, now, if you've got the time and the patience, you can save money, and that's all I'm doing. You still get the same results at the end of it, but you're saving money. For the sake of, what, 6 inches to cut off, you're not really losing a lot. I'm going to see now, if I move that up, turn this light off. So what can that be saying? Let me focus in. There we go. Until I get set up properly. That'll have to do. Right. So that's underneath of it. So I've still got a load of cable and what have you in there. So I've just got to fish that out. And then see if that'll fit in. There we go. What I've got to do now is open them holes up a little bit where the cable goes through. Focus in. So where that goes through, I've got to open it up. Excuse me. I've got a trusty little drill. And I haven't got it here, have I? I haven't got my drill to hand, so I'll just put that bit in there. Could do with poking that out actually. Get that out first. Where's my... there we are. Right, let's try and drill that through. There we go. Let's go in now. Let's open that up. And that's cleared it from the back there. You've got to do the live side, or the brown bit. Hiya, darling. You alright? Yeah, I'm just doing the little video on here. I'll be 10 minutes, possibly. Oh, that's not gone where I wanted it. It doesn't matter as long as it's through there. There we go, that's through now. Through. Just back all crap up. Right, so it looks a little messy in there. Let's tidy up with my knife round. Why is that still in there? Let me see if I can go that way. There we go. That's it, that's cleared it now. It's a bit of a mess, actually. It'd be right, but still do it though, as long as the wire goes through, it's fine. All this lot can be tidied up, it's not a problem. There we go. There, yeah. Right. Next one is strip the wire. So keep these because let's just strip this wire. You can see it's got this insulation on it on the inside. So can't make that much off. It's way too much. So now it all depends now. That sits in there. So the bottom, where that notch is, that's your bottom. Put it in there. Your blue wire goes to your left. Brown wire goes to your right. Push that in and up. What I'll then do is get the old one that I cut off. That just gets the length of it, and then cut that off. Making what then? No rubbish. Cut that off, throw that. Make sure it's pushed up, do the same with the blue. It'll be the same length anyway. Cut that. So I'm going to put, excuse me, let me just have a look at that. Before I do anything, gonna get some heat shrink on them. So I'll pop a bit of heat shrink on there. Heat shrink on that bad boy. Terminals in, put that in there. Perfect. Perfect. Heat shrink. Put them back. Perfect. So we've got terminated again. All I've done is I've got some so liquid electrical tape it's called. It is, trying to get away, look. For this it's quite good, to be fair. You got to leave it very gooey. Stinks as well, to be fair. So I just lob it all around there. Lob it all around there. Rotate it as it's going in. Push it in, and then I just smooth it off best you can. You can always pot it when it's dry. It does cut quite well actually. As you can see, it's quite sticky. But once it sets like rubber. So I'm now going to leave that for a good half an hour. So I'll be back.